Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm just going to give you 6 tips. You can add more tips to what I'm going to tell you in the comments section below. Whatever you feel is important for people out there who are keen on mastering day trading. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. If you're looking for a good and reliable forex broker, see the links that I have in the section below. I've had experiences with those brokers for over 5 years of trading now, and they've never let me down. And you can start trading with just $10. You can just start trading with just $10. Is it going to make you a billionaire? No, but you can use that $10 to master day trading. Then once you have mastered the game, then you can go ahead and add more capital to your trading account. Okay, so starting out in the world of day trading, let's face it, can be very difficult. It can be challenging. There's a lot of information out there. There's a lot of gurus out there. Everybody's telling you do this, everybody's telling you to do that, and I'm not here to say go and do this, go and do that. Take this video as just information. Whether you choose to use it, it's up to you. If you choose to ignore it, well, that's up to you. So without wasting much of your time, how to master day trading. So the first thing that you want to do, and I've seen many people making the mistake with this one. What you want to do is, first of all, equip yourself with a deep understanding of the market that you are trying to trade. Like fundamental knowledge of the market that you are trying to trade. Whether you are trying to trade cryptos, whether you are trying to trade forex, maybe you want to trade stocks, options, futures, all the things that people are now trading out there. Try to find some crucial knowledge around that market, because without some knowledge about what the do's and don'ts of that market, you're basically flying without a compass. It's going to end up in a huge disaster. For example, the forex market, we know it moves more than $7 trillion a day, and we know that is largely controlled by the big banks and big hedge funds and all those big guys. So that's something that, you know, as a beginner, you don't want to risk your money without understanding that fundamental fact, because if you understand that money in the forex market is moved by the big banks, it means then you need to move with the big banks. If you can understand what the big banks are doing in the markets, then you can definitely make money as well in trading. So those are the fundamentals that I am referring to. You also find that the forex market is heavily impacted by major news, economic news, world news, or major news have got an impact on the forex market. Something to keep in mind when you are trading that market. So understand the fundamentals of the market that you are going to be trading. The second point is find a mentor. I know forex mentors, trading mentors have got, like, you know, a bad rap because there are many scammers out there. People are stealing people's monies and selling them fake courses, fake things and stuff like that. But I think find somebody that you trust, somebody who has been doing it, somebody with proven results. I'm not saying it's me. I don't do courses, I don't offer courses. I just share knowledge. That's all that I do. I don't have signal groups, I don't have mentorship stuff. I only provide the information. Then you can go out there and seek somebody you can basically follow somebody, a good trader that you can tell that this person is authentic. They are all about trading. They are not all about showing the Lambos and the BMWs and the marketing. So find a mentor. You might not have a physical mentor. Maybe you don't have it, because some of these mentors, they charge a lot. Maybe you don't afford it. You can even find some of these YouTubers. There are a lot of YouTubers nowadays posting quality information about trading, whether you're trading options, crypto, stocks, forex. There is somebody out there. You just need to go through your YouTube. You'll find this guy is authentic and they're speaking sense, and somebody who suits the kind of trader that you want to be. And so they can actually be your mentor without you actually getting in touch with them, but just following what they teach you and how they trade. Okay, I'm going to try and speed up. I do not make this video any longer than it should be. Then what you want to do is, I recommend that you start with demo trading. But here is where I'm going to underline: don't stay on demo for too long. That's a mistake that many people make. That's why I said the brokers that I have, the links that are in the description box below, you can start learning trading with just $10, $5. You can make a $5 deposit in your account so that you can outgrow that demo account. You don't want to stay in the demo account for too long. I've seen people who have spent 2 years, 3 years still trading demo because they did not manage to break out of that demo account. So you need to transition quickly out of that demo account to a live account so that you start learning the proper things. And I said the brokers that I use, the links again are in the description box below. You can actually start trading with just $5, $10. So it means even if you have $100 saved for your trading, you can just use $5, $10 to learn the ropes in a real market environment, which is going to teach you about the psychology of trading. People never learn how to behave when they are making money in trading, or how not to behave when they are losing money in trading. But trading these small accounts will teach you a great deal about what to do and what not to do before you eventually deposit that lump sum that you've been saving to start trading. And what point are we now? Maybe the second last point. I want to close this quick. So the other thing that you want to do is master market structure. I've seen people just trading willy-nilly because they don't understand market structure. So as we know, the market moves in 3 primary modes. One of them is uptrends. The other one is ranging. You use sideways. People call it sideways as well. The market just starts moving sideways. There is no obvious direction that the market is taking. Then the other mode is basically downtrend. So most of the time you find that people make money when the market is in an uptrend, when the market is in a downtrend, and people start losing money when the market is moving sideways, when it's ranging. So you need to understand these things. How do you spot uptrends? When the market is constantly making these higher highs, higher lows, definitely the market is pushing up, and especially if it's showing you those higher highs and higher lows on a higher time frame, H4 for hourly, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, then you're in an uptrend. Why would you want to trade against that market? In the downtrend, it's usually lower lows, lower highs, and this is obvious on the daily, weekly, monthly, H4 or 4 hour. I keep saying H4. Why would you want to buy in a downtrend? Why would you want to sell in an uptrend? Understand market structure. And if you don't know what you are doing, Stay away in sideways market. That's where the market does not know yet what it wants to do. It doesn't know whether it wants to go up or it wants to go down, and people start gambling in that scenario. If you're not careful, you lose money. Then the last and most important point that I want to point out is if you are wanting to master day trading, you need to prioritize psychological and emotional control. You don't know how much of trading is actually influenced by psychology and emotions. People make money and lose money based on emotions in trading. I always tell people the market is always going to be there, but is your account going to be there? If you're not in the right mindset for trading that day, something happened, you're just exhausted, your spouse is harassing you, work related pressures coming from somewhere, your mind is just not in the right state for looking at the markets. Stay away from the markets. You will blow your account, and you start blaming your mentor, you start blaming your tools, you start blaming your strategy, but it was just that you were not in the right mindset for trading. So psychology and emotional control, very very important if you want to master day trading. Know how to react when you are making money. Don't over gamble, don't be overconfident because you have made a couple of profitable trades. Now you think you are the lord of the markets. No, the markets will humble you. If you lose your account, how are you going to react? Are you going to throw everything away? Are you going to be shouting at everybody, or are you going to be calm or collected and look at how the mistakes that you probably made? So these are some of the points that I just had to share with you. If you have anything else that you think can help somebody master day trading and you feel I left it out, please leave it in the comments section below. Let's help one another, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.